Now this is how you can open the mail in the MacBook. Let's get into it. Well, naturally, you can get inside of the Launchpad or like the All Apps view right there at the bottom from the dock, and you can find essentially all of your apps installed on the Mac, right? So you need to look up the Mail application right there and just open it up. And by default, if you don't have any kind of account added, it will ask you to just sign in with one, right? So that's how you can open the mail. You have to sign in with your particular account. It is possible that you want to use the iCloud Mail or even Google, Yahoo, Outlook, many more options to pick from, but essentially you will need to use one where you just sign in with your credentials, and this will allow you to open that mail on your MacBook and have it accessible within that application. So it is quite literally that simple. However, once you do, you can also manage everything inside of the settings. So inside of the Mail app, once you have it open and selected, tap on the Mail title in the top left corner next to the Apple logo, right? And click on the settings. This will move you over into so many different settings, tabs, like the accounts where you can manage, delete, and add different ones. Right, you have the spam filters, viewing, composing, signatures, and everything, right? So not only can you add your account, but just ensure you customize the way it is being used to the fullest extent to make sure you like it the best. Keep in mind that this is not the only way to use Mail on a Mac. You can also use the web-based version where you just use Safari to log in, or you can also just download a different Mail client from the App Store or from the internet where you can again log in with the same account but just on a different platform. So that's it. It's just a quick and brief guide on how it kind of works. Let me know below in the comments what you think about it, and if there are any more questions, leave them there as well. Thanks a lot. Subscribe so we can also see each other in the next video too, and I'll see you then.